Namaste. Welcome to Wholesome Living Through Food, a beautiful collaboration between home cooking and yoga you. Today we are making a cool cucumber yogurt salad. This is light, simple and refreshing for those warm summer days. This salad combines hydrating cucumber, fresh curd and gentle flavors that help the body feel cool and refreshed. It makes for a wonderful side dish after your yoga practice or as a light summer meal. So let's begin. For the salad, I've taken 4 medium fresh cucumbers. Make sure to wash it nice and clean. Using a slicer, I'm just going to slice the cucumbers. But if you don't have a slicer, don't worry about it. You can just cut it into thin slices with a knife. Once you've sliced the cucumbers, just transfer it to a bowl and keep this aside. Next, I'm adding 1 onion. I've just cut the onion into half and cut it into horizontal slices. Adding onion will give a nice crunch to the salad, but if you don't like onions or if you don't want it in your salad, you don't have to add it. Once you've cut the onion, just loosen it up a bit. For the dressing, I've taken 100 grams of yogurt. If you don't have yogurt, you can just use regular curd. For seasoning, add half teaspoon of salt, some fresh crushed pepper, half teaspoon chili flakes. Next, add 1 garlic clove grated. This will give a nice flavor to the dressing. Also, I'm adding the juice of half lime. And to finish off, add about 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, don't worry about it. You can go with the basic yogurt dressing. Give it all a nice mix. Make sure it's all well combined. The salad is not complete without those fresh chopped coriander leaves. Now let's assemble the salad. To the bowl of freshly sliced cucumbers, add the sliced onions. Next, add the chopped fresh coriander leaves and pour all of that beautiful yogurt dressing. Gently mix everything so the slices are all well coated with the yogurt dressing. Just look how creamy and delicious that looks. There you go, here is this absolutely delicious creamy cucumber salad. The goodness of cucumbers and onions, that lovely yogurt. It's a perfect cooler for the summer heat. This is a great way to enjoy your cucumbers and keep yourself cool and hydrated. The salad is best enjoyed immediately and make sure you serve it nice and chilled. If you like these recipes, subscribe to our yoga channel and share these recipes with your family, friends and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy and stay nourished.